Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. My name is Teacher Vestine. I am a P2 English teacher. Today we are practicing the sounds. We are going to practice sound E, sound J, sound K, and sound Z. This is a term 2 week 7 phonics lesson for P2. Yeah, before I start teaching, I wanted to remind you that my learners already know these sounds. They know even how to read some words with these sounds. They learned them previously. We are going to read a simple story. My focus today will be on helping pupils to do more practice on these sounds by reading a decodable text. Our decodable text is titled Dig, Dig, Dig. It contains words with sound E, sound J, sound K, and sound Z. They also answer some comprehension questions and they write about it. So my pupils do not have phonic books, but I will still use my teacher's copy to guide them during the lesson and also doing all the activities related to this lesson. Thank you so much. Let's start. Hello, children. Hello, children. How are you? How are you? Hello, children. I love you. Excellent. You are so beautiful. What is the lesson now? What is the lesson now? We are going to learn? We are going to learn English. So I need your attention, right? Which sounds did we learn about? We learned sound? E. Sound E. One clap for her. Sound E. Sound E. Sound E. Another one. Sound J. All of you, sound J. Sound J. I have it here on the board. Hands up if you want to answer. Sound, do we say sound K? Can someone help her to correct it? Before sound Z, there is another sound that you skipped. There is a sound that your friend said and said sound K. How do we say it? Sound K. All of us? Sound K. Let's read them. E. E. J. It's not ja. Look at my mouth. J. J. Z. Z. Any word that has E? Yes? Inside. Excellent. One clap. Another word that has E? E-G. E-G. Mu Kinyarwanda dufite ijambo E-G. Another word with the E in English? Eat. It is a chalk. Eat. Let's look at this sound. Which sound is this? Hands up. Yes. Flowers to her. Flowers. Can we give her flowers? Say flowers. Excellent. Jug. Repeat. Jug. Jug. Another word that has J. Juice. Repeat. Juice. 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 Excellent. Let's go on sound K. Sound K. Yes. King. Excellent. One clap. One clap. We learned another word that has K. Keyboard. Brilliant. And the last letter sound. Last letter sound for zebra for sound Z. Zebra. All of you? Zebra. Another one? Zigzag. Another one? Zap. Brilliant. You're so good, children. You're going to clap hands for yourselves. Do you know how we clap it? We will do like this. Follow me. I am the best. Let's go. You are really the best. Last time you learned how to sound. Yes? I want you to look at these words. We are going to sound together. We are going to blend together to see which word we made last time. It is not something new for you. Are you with me? If you can see me do this, Someone there is not seeing me. Which sound is this? This sound? J. All of us. J. Uh-huh. Sound? A. 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 Follow how I do it. Look at me. J. A. J. A. Not G. J. A. The word is jet. Again, jet. Louder, jet. Who can try here? Who can try to do it? You say the sound, sound by sound, yes? Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. So the word is? The word is? Kit. All of us? Kit. Who can sound here? Let's go. It's not pa. G. Okay, repeat it. Repeat it. Okay, sound again. The word is? All of us. Pig. Pig. Can someone come and do it here on the board? You touch the sound, you tell us, and then you make the word. Come. Shh. Mm-hmm. You're going to tap each sound, and then you tell us the word. Louder. Mm. Z. Uh-huh. The word is zap. All of us? Zap. Zap. Can someone come and sound this one? Louder. Yes. Bravo. Beautiful. What is the word? Kit. All of us? Kit. One clap for her. Another clap for her. The last one to do this one. Someone here. This side. Someone did not answer. Yes, come. You tell us the sound. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Sound. Mm-hmm. G. G. So the word is? Pig. All of you? Pig. Repeat. Pig. So friends, today we are going to learn a very short story. In the story we are going to learn today, we have some sight words. The first sight word is this. Can you repeat? This. Again, this. I have the word here. This. Louder. This. This is a chalk. Can you hold your book and say, this is a book? Can you show me the book? Show me the book and say, this is a book. You are so good. One clap for you. Another clap. So open your book and write for me the word this 3 times. Okay? 3 times. Can we write it? And I want to see the champion. I have a red pen to give a bravo to you. This. Brilliant. I'm not giving you a bravo. You're not yet done. This. Excellent. Bravo. Wow, you're trying. Good boy. Mm-hmm. This. Don't rub too much. Bravo. Another word is with. Yes, we use the word with when I think that something is together with another thing, or people are together, or you are combining. I am with my friend. Yes, I am writing with this pen. Mm-hmm. You are with this boy. Can we read the word on the board? The word is? Again? So we are going to write it 3 times. Excellent. I'm coming to mark you. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. We have something here. The title of our story is called Dig, Dig, Dig. Can we read it together? Dig, dig, dig. Do you know how to dig? I can take a hole and then I start digging, I make a hole. So that is to dig. Repeat, dig. Dig. Again, dig. Can we read the title of our story? Dig, dig, dig. Louder. Dig, dig, dig. Again. I have a book here. I want to show you the picture of Kim and Big Jim, okay? Don't worry, I'm coming for you. I have the picture of Kim is digging and there is Big Jim here. I think Big Jim is so big, 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 big. Kim is digging here, right? And here there is Big Jim, big, big, big. Who is big like Jim? Here I have Kim is digging, okay? And I have Big Jim. Have you seen Kim? Yes, this is Kim. What is he doing? What is he doing? What is Kim doing? He is digging. He is digging. Can you dig and I see? Show me how you dig. How do you dig? That girl is so brilliant. You know how to dig. This is Kim, right? And this is Big Jim. He's big, isn't it? And here Kim is digging and Jim is also digging. Have you seen them? Can you show me Kim? Make a sentence. Have 5. You're so brilliant. Can you show me Jim? Show me Jim. I have Kim. Can you show me Jim? This is Big Jim. Here I have Kim is digging and Big Jim is digging. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Are you good, children? Clap once. Once again. Once again. Excellent. So we are going to read together. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Eyes on the board. Big Jim digs. There is a full stop. Dig, dig, dig. Look. Dig, dig, dig. Look. Big Jim sits. Stop a bit. When you reach where there is a point, you stop. Listen to me. We do like this. Big Jim sits. Again. Kim wins. You're going to listen to me. I'm going to read for you. I have very many questions. You have to answer them. Dig, dig, dig. This is Kim. This is Big Jim. Kim digs. Big Jim digs. Dig, dig, dig. Look. Big Jim sits. Big Jim sits. He was tired and then he sat down, isn't it? And then what happens? Kim wins. Excellent. Now, friends, did you hear the story? Did you hear the story? Yes. Did you hear? Excellent. You're going to tell me who is in the story. Who is in the story? Who is in the story? Yes. There is Kim. Okay, love cheer to her. There is Kim. Only Kim. Yes.
Gym.
And Jim. A big hand clap for him. This group you're going to read with me. Let's go. This group louder. Dig, dig, dig. Look. Look. One clap for them. The next group, let's go. I can't hear you. You are not reading. Yes. Yes. One clap for them. One clap for them. Let's go for the last group. You have to be the best. 1, 2, 3, go. Big Jim digs. There is a full stop. Big Jim sits. One clap. Now I want one champion to come and read. Excellent, beautiful, come and read. Le, 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 le. She's a champion. Listen to her. Let's go.
Dig, dig, dig.
Louder.
Dig, dig, dig. This is Kim. This is Big Jim. Kim digs. Big Jim digs. Dig, dig, dig. Look, Big Jim sits. Kim wins.
Wonderful. Flowers for her. Love cheer. She's really the best. She's so wonderful. Who else wants a love cheer? A boy, come. Faster, 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 faster. Faster, 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 faster.
Dig, dig.
Listen to how he's a champion.
Dig, dig, dig.
Louder.
This is Kim. This is Big Jim. Kim dig. Big Jim dig. Dig, dig, dig. Look. Big Jim sits. Kim wins.
Love cheer, love cheer, love cheer. Yeah, so good. Write only this sentence. This one. This is Big Jim. Only that. Are you done? My sweet is for people who are doing what I'm doing, what I'm saying. Can I see? La 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 la. You are super champion. You are superstar. This is Big Jim. Bravo. I want you to go in this story and you circle the word this. Circle the word this. To circle is like this. Circle the word this. I'm coming. Did you finish to circle the word this? Show me the work. First, show me the work. Show me the word this. And the last one, do you know what is the last one? Underline for me sound E. Everywhere, sound E. You underline sound E. In this sentence, this is big gym. Can you underline for me sound E? E. Did you finish to underline it? E. In this sentence, this, bravo, bravo. We learned sound J. Did we learn sound J? J. Did we learn it? I want you to put 2 lines under sound J. Where you see sound J, like this one, you put 2 lines. Bravo. Bravo. I'm not seeing your lines. Jim. Wonderful. High five. Super. High five. Excellent. Okay. Big Jim. I want you to put 2 lines under J. 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 High five. This is super good. Excellent. I'm coming to do it for you. I'm coming to do it for you. Do you remember the sound we learned today? What is the title of our story? We are ending. You have it. What is the title of our story? Jim, I said where there is a J, put 2 lines. 2 lines. 2. Thank you so much for today. I love you so much. Bye. Bye. Hello once again. Yes, that's the end of our lesson. I hope you found it useful, right? You can please download the corresponding sample lesson plan from the link. Thank you so much. See you next time.